This chain sitting right. What up, friends and family? It's your boy Keeks, the Cultureholic. Shout out to the Cultureholic Facebook group and the TSB gang. Yeah, lovable shooter. I'm back. All right. So I know you're probably wondering, Keeks, you just dropped the Laney 5 video a couple nights ago. Why is there another video you're doing now? Glad you asked. Zou Keepers, Zou Keepers, new clothing line out of Columbia, Missouri, Midwest brand. Stay tuned. Get to see what it looks like. Zou is everything you love. Keepers is doing what it takes to protect it. Alright, so you remember my last video I was saying, hey, there's going to be some stuff that coming out to match this Laney colorway on Saturday. Well, here it is. It's a brand new brand. It's called Zou-Keeperz out of Columbia, Missouri. Check it out. #official. I say that because if you're from the Midwest or from Missouri, you know about the Missouri Tigers, right? So this is Zou-Keepers. They actually own the trademark to the ZOU, which is crazy to me that's happening, but that's great for the brand. So no one else can use that, and that's theirs. They make men's and women's apparel. They've got hoodies, jackets, joggers, t-shirts, you name it. They're going to be releasing hookups for shoe drops, so that means there might be limited drops, which that makes it even more sought after. That way not a bunch of people are going to have the same thing you have on. And that excites me because I love being exclusive. So that's going to be cool, you know, if they're going to have a certain run of a hoodie or a t-shirt or a jogger, and once they're done making them, that could be it for that style. It's cool to have a brand that close to home for me that I can be able to just go snatch something up and like, no, hey, not everyone's going to have it. I also love somebody in the community doing something positive, so it's a win-win for everybody. So yeah, I really like to support something local that's positive and it's trendy. I hype this. You damn right I got it on. Check it out. Alright, so this is a large. Still got some good space in it. I could have maybe did a medium if I wanted that extra, like, you know, that ripped fit. I'm not really ripped, but you know, it is what it is. It's pretty comfortable. It's warm. It has that fleecy inside. I'll show you guys right here. See, it's got that warm, that fleece lining. It's very comfortable. Actually, surprisingly comfortable than I thought it was going to be. Design feels good on the front. Oh, here's one thing I really like about it. This is what I was talking about. Attention to detail. Check this out. See, you got the Zou-Keepers right here. And then if you flip it up, it's got their, see if you can get that in the cam there. It's got their little slogan. That's pretty sweet. I like that. Well, yeah, Zou-Keepers. So everything is down in the description box below. You can reach them, get you a hoodie. They're going to be doing, looks like, hoodies that match up with shoe releases. So I'm thinking these are probably going to be limited drops. So you got to really hop on these. But yeah, Zou-Keepers. Go grab that. I want to thank you guys for making me part of your day. Just let you know I appreciate the love. Every share, every like, every comment. I try to comment back to you guys. This YouTube journey is something new for me, and I'm really loving and embracing this. So like, you guys give me the energy to make another video. You guys really do. There's a couple of times I feel like, man, I don't want to do another video. I'm tired. But then somebody hits me up and be like, yo, man, I saw your video on those shoes. Loved it. I just thank you guys for the feedback. But it's about that time. So, wear what you like. Hype what you love. And in the words of my favorite rapper, peace and much love.
Cool, fresh sneakers, go to the store, drown them J's, but I couldn't keep them, cause my mama really couldn't afford them. She got me the Adidas.
You still here? We can talk about Dragon Ball Z if you like.